Hi, and welcome to the 2025 Micromine User Conference, Brisbane. The defining qualities of Queensland mining aren't just volume or value, they're innovation and ambition. It's no longer just about extracting resources, it's about optimising operations, minimising impact and maximising future value.
I came here today to the Micromine conference just to get a better understanding of Micromine Geobank and trying to implement that all out in the field and try and build a resource where I'm working at the moment.
You can have one piece of equipment follow multiple other pieces of equipment. There's then an algorithmic check that'll give you the minimum set of tasks.
Unlock the next generation of efficiency.
We're here today to talk about Micromine Precision Consulting. So we're the in-house consulting services. We're mainly mining engineers or engineers by background, and we can provide a lot of assistance with Sprite, Advance and other Micromine ecosystem tools.
I've seen a lot of changes in those 15 years, not only operational but also safety-wise.
It's also allowing us to get data from the phase, from the rig.
You should be excited to see our presentation on workflows to help you tailor a more efficient experience for your business.
Anytime you've sat down behind a computer and you've pointed at a screen to tell someone how to do something, I guarantee that the workflows could take that process out of your hands.
At the Micromine User Conference, we're delivering a series of Micromine Origin presentations to help our customers get the most out of their geological data with hands-on workshops and interactive sessions.
Okay, that's a wrap for today. So thank you very much to all of you for your questions and conversations. Head up to level 7.
Yeah, today it's been a great day, presenting on behalf of Boss Energy and seeing how others use Geobank and the Micromine products. I'm looking forward to trying out their new software updates in the coming year.
Okay everybody, that concludes all the formalities, so please let your head out, enjoy yourselves, mingle, and hopefully we all see you here next year.
We look forward to seeing you at the next Micromine User Conference.